Welcome to Paz Yachts. Today, we are proud to present our newest listing, a real piece of sailing history updated to the new liveaboard standards of 2026. This is Rogue, a 1969 Newport 41, and most significantly, hull number 1. Designed by the legendary C&C Yacht Racing Designs and built by Capital Yachts, this vessel represents the birth of a classic performance legacy. Rogue is a proven offshore veteran with 15 years of active cruising history through the Caribbean, the Panama Canal, and the Pacific coast of Mexico. Maintenance is fully up to date, including fresh bottom paint completed in November 2024. On the bow, her ground tackle is heavy-duty, featuring a 66-pound Bruce anchor and a spare Danforth, all operated by a powerful electric windlass. Reliability is the heart of this vessel. In June 2025, the engine underwent a comprehensive major overhaul. This was a complete rebuild, including new pistons, cylinder liners, and a fully rebuilt head. But the work went further. To ensure a smooth ride, the propeller shaft was pulled and checked for trueness. A new cutlass bearing was installed, and brand new motor mounts were fitted. With only 60 hours since completion, this drivetrain is ready for years of dependable service. While the port lights are fixed, the boat features massive 32 by 32-inch opening overhead hatches, allowing incredible airflow through the main and fore cabins. Rogue is fully modernized for off-grid living. Her electrical system features a new 2025 lithium phosphate houseback, supported by a 390-amp solar array and a Morningstar MPPT charge controller. A high-output alternator handles the 12-volt systems with ease. For water independence, she is equipped with a Spectra water maker, delivering 6 gallons of fresh water per hour. This cruiser comes fully loaded. The inventory includes a 10-foot keyless tender with a 15-horsepower Mercury 2-stroke and launch wheels, an inflatable kayak, and a gourmet gas grill. For protection, she includes a Dodger, cockpit awning, and covers for the mainsail and roller furling. Looking at the deck, you'll notice a unique cockpit divided into 2 sections. The helmsman sits aft, commanding a classic destroyer wheel on a dedicated pedestal. Forward, the guest cockpit comfortably seats 6. Both cockpits are designed to be fully self-bailing for offshore safety. Moving below through the sliding companionway, we descend into a practical, light-filled interior. To starboard is a dedicated quarter berth, with the navigation station positioned just forward. To port, the galley is designed for efficiency at sea. The main salon features a classic table booth to port. It seats 6 for meals and easily converts into a comfortable double berth. Opposite the table, a starboard settee provides seating for 3 or serves as an additional single berth. Continuing forward, the head is located on the port side, with a solid door providing privacy from the V-berth, which offers a spacious double berth located just behind the chain locker. Currently lying in La Paz, Mexico, Rogue is at the gateway to the Sea of Cortez. She is upgraded, proven, and ready for her next adventure. Contact the crew at La Paz Yachts now to view the full list of specifications and schedule your viewing. Trust La Paz Yachts, the experts in yacht ownership in Mexico, to help you navigate your journey.
There we go, a little low on the juice, and it's just cracked.
Let me show water coming out.